What a go on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am taking you on a little tour of a big park in one of the city. It's now autumn, so as you can see, the leaf is falling off the trees. Beautiful, huh? Wow. It's a beautiful tree. Sometimes just come and walk out, but because of the virus, the restrictions, just few people, you see, about the place. It's a very strange world that we're living in now. Everybody mask up. Such a beautiful day where it's not so cold. And the place coming like ghost town. Coming like me have the place to myself. Nobody. Look, sky. This is considered a good weather. A very good weather. Trust me. Because right now I'm just in a sweater. And a pair of tights. And a day like this, you would have seen a whole heap of people they bought the place, but with the curfew and the virus, the place just empty. This place is a very beautiful place. In France, you have many big parks like this, you know. Sometimes I walk out with my son, but I don't want to vlog with my son tonight, you know. I want to keep my son off the internet, you know. Right now, I walk and I see some Halloween decoration. I don't know. Devil's holiday, everybody celebrate. Halloween. Normally, the kids them would have go trick or treat, but because of the virus, nobody not really let out them fitness to go do no more trick or treating. My son never really go trick or treat this year. I'm just dressed up in a Halloween costume and go school. But that's about it. Wow, this Halloween stuff is very pretty. Look. Halloween. It right? No patushi. No patushi. Do not touch. Sometimes I walk in a like small town. And you want to see how the people them look for me. Especially like if no whole heap of black people no there in a small town. They look for you like you're an alien. You know? In a little town where I did come live in every time when my neighbor have guests, he used to call me and invite me next door to his yard. And the people they usually treat me like me as some zoo creature. Everybody want to touch me here because they only see black people on TV and foreigner on TV. So it's like me is a freaking zoo creature. Everybody just want to touch me up. And feel me up. The smaller the town, or the more they treat you like zoo creature. It's not really racism, you know. It's more of curiosity. Like a lot of these small town people, them never leave the era. They not even leave France and go in our next European country. So them hardly interact with outsiders, foreigners, worse black people. So the only time they see black people is like on TV. So enough of the time they want to touch you and stuff like that. It's not really racism, but at the same time it invade your own personal space when somebody just walk up to you and not even sometimes ask you and I'll touch your ear. You wonder how them a touch you in your ear for and not even ask you. Like that's invading personal space, you know? And it just make you feel uncomfortable. I go enter the one rose garden with many roses and flowers. It's so beautiful, guys. Like sometimes like we just come in one of the little park here and just look at the flowers them, cause the flowers then kinda help with winter depression. But as soon as winter hit, all of them flowers are dead. And the only thing you're going to see is the stem them in the freaking earth. And everything just dry up. No freaking color. Nothing, all of these pretty color just gone. But for now, the place I get cold, so I get like sadder and sadder as the place I get more and more cold. Because you just know say all of this nice pretty garden. Because in a like December and so enough of the garden them just close. Because there's nothing to see, because the flowers then dead and everything dry up, so you know, make a sense to open. You know? So it's just depressing more and more as the time get colder and colder, because all of the beauty of the earth just gone. I don't know what the people are doing star. I just don't know. But I'm used to it, you know. But as a sunshine girl who loves the colors in the world, if you look up in the sky and this you see in the sky. Yes, the bombat. And this is a good day, you know. Can you imagine a good day and the sky looks so? This is a good damn day and the sky look like that. I tell you. And they have one water park in this area too. But trust me, I don't want to go no water park. I got cold. Sometimes you feel like you want to freeze. Alright, these are some greenhouse. Sometimes I even have flowers right from Jamaica, you know. Yo, I can show you some Jamaican flowers. But then I have to keep them in a greenhouse and keep them at certain temperature. Because outside too cold for them to fruit type of flowers. So them have to grow them under the entrance there, so they have to grow them under certain circumstances. I'm going to show you Jamaican flowers. I will tell you go know some of them flowers here. You know, find them right in the backyard. Bonjour. Merci. See them flowers them. See? We're inside of the greenhouse now. No one know this. That's all. See them flowers them? See them flowers them? Like my mother have some of them flowers there in our backyard. But them have to keep them in this. When time in here so hot party. Even right now me in my sweater I feel like me a burn up. I don't say no for this in our backyard. That? Holy for this, not true. Alright, look underneath here so. Holy for this. Pardon? All of what in here so? All of what in here so? You see no for in our backyard, don't you? All of them. Boy, me a burn up in here so. In here so coming like a Jamaica sun and plus me this a pull here. A pull is this sweater. You know? Alright, me a go in here so blouse and skirt in here so hot. Look, papa up on tree. You can't talk to me, you know, me have papa up on tree. Whole heap of them flowers, yeah? Come like me in a tropical oasis. I go see if I can see some banana palm tree too. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
C'est tropical, hein? Pardon. Alright, hold on there. Alright, so one banana tree, yeah? But no banana there on the tree. No banana. But as you can see, one banana tree. Another banana tree. Papa tree. And the same freaking type of fern them. Not even know what they are called, but sometimes I go through Fern Gully and them place there in a St. Ann. You see whole heap of them there and all. Them a type of flowers there. No, so I have to come out of this place here. Me a burn up. Yo, they have to keep yourself hot like Jamaica. So right now, this is about 30 degrees Celsius. So right now, it's about 30 degrees Celsius. So you can imagine a 30 degrees hot Jamaican what weather in this? You know, burn up. Alright, me have to go in California now. Hot like California desert. Watch you now. California desert. That's good. It resemble one desert, not true. In gardens, in places like this, them have them kind of things here. So sometimes, like, if I feel like I miss Jamaica, I come places like these, this see me, let me see some things that remind me of home, you know. So sometimes I just take a walk, come them a type of park here. And look, spend a little time. Now I am back outside and I'm telling you one thing is when you're going to hot and cold. Being in a hot place and then bloop, you come out in a cold place, you immediately feel shivers come up on your spine because it's like you move from one temperature to another temperature, so your body automatically adjusts to the heat. Then when you come out in the blood cleat cold, you feel your body just a shiver. Right now I feel some cold run up in my spine. Today is 11 degrees Celsius, and 11 degrees Celsius is cold. And this is the outside views of all the greenhouses that you was just inside. And as you can see, the frost on the window or the condensation on the window, because inside the greenhouse are very hot and then outside is very cool. So like when you come, you can see like the condensations. Rotted if that did drop in our smarty head. I don't know if you see that just drop. Rotted. You have many Jordan the plant, mean garden of plants. Now I speak French, but I speak French with a Jamaican accent. So sometimes I have to repeat myself 2-3 times sometimes if I talk fast. Alright, watch you now. Ice cream. Who the fuck go buy ice cream right about now in this cold? French people. Because me not buy none. But that shiver. One thing me really like about French culture sometimes is me really like the fact say the old people stay together for a long while of marriage. Like sometimes you see an old couple just sit down together, talking together, hold hands together. It looks so romantic. You know? Right up there so. I don't know if you can see it, but them they are the police them. Make sure you don't have on a mask. If you don't have on a mask, you don't have to go pay money. So you have to make sure that you don't have on a mask. So that you don't know. How much again? I think at €200 if you don't have on a mask. You don't have to go pay the police them. See them there? Police! €200. Well beautiful in a mask. Well beautiful in a mask. So right now the cola bite me in my rotted soup. So you know, I can't go with the damn yard. Coca-Cola, cold. Right now I'm in the bus and I go home. Inside of the bus on the floor it distance the security means social distance 1 meter. 1 meter minimum. But sometimes you come in at the bus then and nobody now give not even 1 meter. They eat upside of you, especially during rush hour. They eat upside of you like say you and them a friend. So I just one of them day, but today I one of them slow day on a weekend, so people are really out and about like during rush hour. with the restrictions now in the country, it is very difficult to do vlogs because I want to do vlogs in cities like Lyon, Marseille, and places like that. But it's difficult right now because we have a whole heap of restrictions and certain cities are in curfew and all of these things. So I will try my best to see what I can do. Don't know. It's your girl. Take care until the next video. Bisous. Au revoir.